Story time.
Hello guys! Samahan niyo ako inbox yung iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's 2TB. Ayan, kunin muna natin iPhone 11. So, matagal na bago ako mag-upgrade. Ayan, super simple lang. So, this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max Deep Blue. That's the color. So, let's open it. So, pagka-open mo, right away, yung iPhone agad. And then, below is the cord. And then, we have the manufacturer's guide. So, ayun. Sobrang liit lang ng box. Sobrang konti lang ng laman. Wala ring adapter. And going back to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, this is how it looks like. Ayun o. Hindi naman ganun kabigat. So, sakto lang. Parang mas mabigat pa nga itong iPhone 11. Ayun! Hello? Ayan. I got my iPhone 17 Pro Max now. Thank you for watching.